guys, I wanna do a little princess haul. This was honestly such an impulsive purchase because I am literally obsessed with collecting cute stuff.
Okay, first up, I got this adorable Sprunky and cute character keychain. Let's open the Sprunky one first. I hope I get a good one. So excited. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, next let's open the second one. Lucu banget. Oh, this one is so cute too.
Next, I picked up super cute stationery.
This is a mechanical pencil. Oh my god, lucu banget gambarnya. Next, this is a cute pen and even a mechanical eraser. They are so aesthetic. Okay, then I got this DIY capybara sticker. They were literally everywhere when I was in high school. I still remember my friend Amira. She kept calling everything capybara, capybara. Even her group name was capybara. That's such a fun memory throwback. And next, I found this DIY fashion sticker. They're so cute. I can't wait to use them. Okay, I also picked up some cute hair accessories. A cherry hair clip and this little hair tail holder. They have a hat, so pretty. Okay, I totally forgot to show you a few more things because I'm a huge Shinchan fan. I also got these Shinchan plates. And this adorable Keppel ball set. These are so cute. It's a very cute pink and yellow. Last but not least, I got some false laces. I ended up buying all 3 versi. Ada 3 versi because I just couldn't decide. Emang impulsif. In purple, pink, and green.
And that's all for today haul. Let me know which one is your favorite. Bye! Also, aesthetic.